From plush velvet sofas to outdoor cushions that can survive the summer sun, fabric choices can make or break your design. Fabrics fall into two main categories: natural and synthetic. Natural fibers like cotton, linen, silk, and wool offer comfort and breathability, but may wrinkle, fade, or require special care. Cotton is soft and breathable, but prone to stains. Linen is airy and elegant, but wrinkles easily. Wool is insulating and resists pilling. Silk adds luxury, but it's delicate and best for low-use areas like bedrooms or drapery. Synthetic fibers such as polyester, acrylic, nylon, and olefin are engineered for strength, stain resistance, and easy cleaning. Olefin is popular outdoors because it resists moisture and mildew, while polyester blends often appear in indoor performance fabrics. Blended fabrics like polycotton or linen rayon give you a mix of durability and comfort, suitable for everyday use. Rub rate is the measure of how much wear a fabric can handle before showing damage. The Martindale and Weizenbeek methods simulate real-world use. Results are listed in double rubs. Light-use fabrics start around 10,000 double rubs. Mid-range residential use begins at 15,000. Commercial fabrics go beyond 30,000. Look for high rub rates in kid zones, rental homes, or multi-purpose living spaces. Durability depends on more than rub rate. Consider thread count, weave tightness, fiber type, and finishes. Tighter weaves resist snagging and wear better over time. High thread counts give a smoother surface. Outdoor fabrics like solution-dyed acrylics resist UV rays, mildew, and water, but may feel stiff at first. Olefin, used in carpets and upholstery, is extremely resistant to fading and moisture. Indoor performance fabrics now mimic natural textures while maintaining easy clean coatings. Pilling occurs when loose fibers twist into small balls from friction, common on softer or blended fabrics. Choose fabrics with tighter weaves and low lint blends to prevent pilling. Fading is caused by sun exposure or harsh chemicals, especially on natural fibers like linen and cotton. Check cleaning codes: W for water-based cleaners, S for solvents, WS for both, and X for vacuum only. Spot clean gently and always blot, never scrub, to protect fabric texture and colour. Linen looks beautiful in bright rooms, but may fade or wrinkle with daily use. Microfiber resists stains, repels dust, and is ideal for family rooms with kids or pets. Performance fabrics on dining chairs help repel spills and resist fading from cleaning. Outdoor cushions need breathable covers and quick dry foam inside to avoid mold and odors. Before choosing fabric, ask: where will it be used? Who will use it, and how often? High-use zones benefit from tight weaves, synthetic blends, and performance finishes. When in doubt, ask for swatches. Test at home in natural light and feel the texture before you commit. Choosing the right fabric helps your home look better and last longer, inside and out. Thanks for watching. For more design tips and deep dives, don't forget to subscribe.